Progress.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening.
Yes.
Nó cứ bị vọng lại.
I don't hear anything.
So last for the previous lesson, we studied about this comparative, right?
Yes.
Now today we will continue with superlatives.
Okay.
Superlatives, adjectives, what does it mean?
So sánh nhất ạ.
Now we add EST to short adjectives. Sometimes the spelling changes. We change Y become I and add EST. Or
Okay.
when the word adding in vowel and a vowel and a consonant, adding in a vowel and a consonant, we will double consonant and add EST later. We put the most before long adjectives. Example, dangerous in more dangerous, the most dangerous in superlative. There are few irregular comparative forms. So some words is irregular, one we use in superlative.
Yes.
We can use of after superlative adjectives. Example, the sunniest day of the week. We use in, not of, with nouns for groups or places. The tallest boy in the class, the biggest lake in the world.
Okay.
Remember, put article the before adjectives.
Okay.
Thêm mạo từ the vào đằng trước nha.
Yeah. Yes, I'm done.
Complete these earthquake facts. using the superlative form of the adjectives in brackets.
Okay. Finish.
One. Oh, you like
The
it?
early
Two.
the earliest recorded earthquake.
The earliest recorded earthquake was in China in 1177 BC. 3.
Okay. The most deadly earthquake happened in the
The deadliest. What is deadliest?
um, chết chóc nhất.
Ending in Y.
Okay.
Deadly này là trường hợp đặc biệt giống như early. Tất cả
Okay.
các trạng từ kết thúc bằng đuôi ly đều là trạng từ deadly. That một âm tiết thôi, chúng ta thêm ly.
Okay.
4.
The deepest earthquake recorded.
5.
Antarctica is the continent with the smallest number of earthquakes.
And 5.
The most destructive earthquake.
Yes, the most. Now, learn this true and enough. To comes before an adjective and enough comes after an adjective. It means
Okay.
to first adjectives and enough. Example,
Okay.
this jacket is too small for him. Or this jacket isn't big enough for him.
Yes.
Enough comes before a noun. Enough money. Money is noun. We often use infinitive with to after to add adjectives or adjectives add enough. He is
Okay.
too young to joy, or he old enough to joy. It means
Yes.
it means after to or enough we use to verb to infinitive.
Okay.
Without it.
I'm finished.
Now, task 9, rewrite the sentences using the adjectives in brackets and to or enough.
Okay. Finish.
Now, choose skiing holidays on trip enough for me.
Skiing holidays are too expensive for me.
My dad's old car is too dangerous to drive.
My dad's car is not safe enough to drive.
My dad's old car is
I forgot.
not safe enough to drive. 4. The storm was too weak to cause much damage.
The storm was not strong enough to cause much damage.
My shoes aren't clean enough to wear to the party.
My shoes are too dirty to wear to the party.
The sky is too cloudy to see the moon.
The sky is not clear to see the moon.
Is not. Sky is not. The sky too. To be đến to. Tính từ to verb.
Okay.
Now, write question using the superlative form of adjectives.
Okay. finish.
Number 2.
Who is the most attractive actors in the world?
Who's the most attractive actor in the world? Okay, who is? 3.
What is the funniest comedy on TV?
4.
What is the most interesting city in your country?
5.
Who is the worst singers in the world?
Worst. 6.
What is the most dangerous animals in the world?
Now, I move to 4D.
Okay.
Reading skill. Glides in the storm. I can understand a bit about paraglider. This is unit in part 4 reading. Now let's look at the title of the photos. Read the I can statement for this lesson and predict what happened in the date and tell your ideas.
I don't know what is the meaning of paraglider.
Paraglider. So paraglider, dù lượn.
Okay. I think I'm finished.
Oh, so that tells your idea.
I think the paragraph is about a dangerous riding competition. The weather may be stormy and the candidate need to use paragliders.
So they are fly on paraglider and the weather is storm, right? It has thunder and lightning, right?
Yes.
Now vocabulary.
Bumpy.
Bumpy.
Yeah, bumpy, not even, with a lot of bumps. Bumpy, mấp mô.
Okay.
Spin.
Spin.
Spin, to turn round and round quickly to make something do this. Spin là quay vòng.
Yes.
Take off.
Take off.
Take off, to leave the ground and begin to fly. Take off là
Cất cánh á.
right.
And,
Approach.
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 Approach, to come near to somebody, something in distance or time. Approach là
Tiếp cận à.
right.
Yes. And
Land.
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 Yeah, land, come down through the air onto the ground or another surface. Đáp đất.
Okay. Yes.
Reach.
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 Reach, to arrive at the place and you have been traveling to. Chạm tới.
Okay. Yes. I'm finished.
Trap.
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 Trap, to put somebody in a dangerous place that they cannot get out of.
Okay.
Gì nhỉ? Gọi là bày mưu kế.
Okay.
Champion.
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 A Persian team of attack career that has won a competition, especially in a sport, vô địch.
Okay.
Carry on.
Carry on.
Carry on.
Carry on.
To continue moving.
Yes.
Experience.
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 Experience the knowledge and skill that you have gained through doing something for a period of time. Experience, kinh nghiệm.
Okay. Yes.
Enormous.
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 Enormous. Extremely large, lớn lao.
Yes. I'm finished.
Thunderstorm.
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 Thunderstorm, a storm with thunder and lightning, and usually very heavy rain. Thunderstorm, dông bão.
Yes.
Now let's match six highlighted verbs in movement in the text with the definition below. So let's write the infinitives.
What is infinitive?
Oh, infinitive is base form of verb. Động từ nguyên thể.
Okay. Okay. Yes, I'm finished.
So to go route and route quickly,
Spin.
spin. To go up from the ground,
Take off.
to come down to the ground,
Land.
to move nearer,
Approach.
to arrive at a certain place,
Reach.
to move in a certain direction.
Head.
Good. Now reading strategy. So it to help you decide which phrases fit with which gaps. Think about the grammar of each sentence. For example, is the first word in each gap a verb, is the gap a verb, or is a different kind of word needed?
Yes.
Read it and do you understand? The grammar of each sentence.
Yes.
So the first word is a gap, a verb, or a different kind of word needed will help you to understand to decide which phrases fit to which gaps. Now look at the gaps in the text. Which gaps begin with a verb in the past simple? Let's circle it.
Okay.
Understand?
I think just a little bit.
It means in the gaps from 1 to 10, which gaps begin with a verb in past simple?
Okay.
Let's circle the gaps. If we have, it start with the verb in past simple.
Okay.
No, which gap? Do you understand? Which gaps begin or start with a verb in the past simple?
Okay.
Những cái chỗ trống kia nó bắt đầu bằng động từ, và câu nào thì nó bắt đầu chỗ trống nào nó bắt đầu bằng động từ ở trong quá khứ.
I think I'm finished.
Sure.
I'm pretty sure.
Now, which gaps begin with a verb in the past? In the past simple.
1, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. That.
Okay.
Any new words here?
I think there frost.
Underline.
Okay. I think that it.
No. Unconscious. Right?
Yes.
Unconscious. Bất tỉnh.
Okay.
Frostbite. Tê cóng.
Yes.
Okay. Treatment. Sự đối xử.
Okay.
What else?
I think that is it.
All right. So if you don't have any new words, we will stop the lesson here. And next week we will continue with this part, and you will read and answer for the gaps.
Okay.
All right. So we will stop our lesson here today. So any questions for today?
No.
Okay. So remember, on Monday, La sent me a message to ask me about the topic of writing skill. I've got it, and
Okay.
I put my text in my room at school, not
Yes.
in my house. And on Monday, I will
Okay.
come to my room later, and I will send it to you. But remember, send me the text. Talk to your mother. Send me the text.
Okay.
So if you don't have any question, we will stop our lesson here today. So remember, let's study the new words and send me a message on Monday or next Monday.
Okay.
All right. So we stop here. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.